Hi, I'm Nicolas Fafin, CIO at PDF Védiaud Publicité, a major French outdoor advertising company in France, operating more than 20,000 advertising assets and over 40,000 display faces across the entire country. So before, we mainly relied on Conga document. The solution worked, but over time, it became more complex and harder to maintain, especially when managing multiple document versions and evolving from different business needs. During configurations and maintenance, we regularly face small but frustrating issues. For example, after certain updates or adjustments, and I don't know with the term, but we sometimes had to remove and recreate buttons or configurations manually to make everything work properly again. The main reason decided to buy PDF Butler that we needed a solution that was fast, flexible, and easier to administer compared to other solutions on the market. PDF Butler stood out with its simplicity, responsiveness, and strong integration with Salesforce. We used PDF Butler to generate multiple operational and commercial documents directly from Salesforce, our CRM, and we also use it for our patrimoine activities to generate complete city book with panels, visual and maps, assets, photo, sometimes producing PDFs or more than 150 pages automatically. Tasks and things to accomplish with PDF Butler, our objective was to accelerate document generation, reduce manual work, and improve scalability while maintaining high quality and personalized documents. We needed a solution that was fast, flexible, and easier to administer. Compared to other solutions on the market, PDF Butler stood out with its simplicity, responsiveness, and strong integration with Salesforce. One of the biggest advantages for us is clearly the mass volume generation capability. In our business, being able to generate large amounts of documents efficiently is a major operational asset. We also highly value the flexibility of the platform and the ability to send it from e-signature very easily. Considering to PDF Butler, maybe focus on operational efficiency first. If documents generation is becoming a bottleneck, having a flexible and easy to maintain solution make a huge difference. It's difficult to quantify precisely, but we clearly save several minutes per document generation, like for the sales, like for the patrimoine in French, and when you multiply that by the number of documents generated every week, every month, the total time saving becomes very significant.